thoughts on the real truth of life. And if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Number 1. The truth of impermanence. Life is transient. Everything from our joys to our struggles is temporary. Recognizing this impermanence helps you appreciate the present moment and focus on what truly matters: relationships, personal growth, and inner peace. Number 2. The power of acceptance. Accepting life as it comes is a crucial step to moving forward. Challenges and setbacks are inevitable, but they teach us resilience and provide opportunities for growth. Acceptance doesn't mean passivity. It means choosing to respond constructively. Number 3. Self-realization is key. True fulfillment comes from understanding yourself, your values, passions, and purpose. When you align your actions with your authentic self, you create a meaningful and joyful life. Number 4. Kindness as a strength. In society, kindness is not a weakness, but a powerful tool to foster connection and harmony. Being kind, empathetic, and helpful builds trust and improves your relationships, creating a better environment for everyone. Number 5. Continuous learning. The world is ever-changing, and to thrive in society, you must be willing to adapt and learn. Stay curious, seek knowledge, and be open to new perspectives. It's how you grow and contribute meaningfully to your community. Number 6. Contribution over competition. Life is not just about personal success, but also about what you give back. Contributing to society, whether through your work, ideas, or service, leaves a lasting impact and brings a sense of purpose. Number 7. Cultivate emotional intelligence. Understanding your own emotions and those of others is critical. Emotional intelligence helps you navigate social interactions, resolve conflicts, and build meaningful connections. Number 8. Embrace diversity and collaboration. Society thrives on diversity. Respecting differences and collaborating with people from varied backgrounds enriches your perspective and fosters unity. Number 9. Balance between ambition and contentment. While it's important to strive for success, it's equally important to appreciate what you already have. Gratitude balances ambition and keeps you grounded. Number 10. Leave a legacy of positivity. The truth of life is that our time here is limited. Focus on leaving behind a legacy of kindness, wisdom, and positive change. What you do today shapes the world of tomorrow.